Alright, so now this video is part 3, opening and modifying the water script using Python 2. So I have my Raspberry Pi already loaded up right here. I got the water script in the correct folder from the last video, and now I can close out of the internet. Now I'm going to go up to the Raspberry Pi. I go to programming and I go to Python 2. Unfortunately, Python 3 for some reason doesn't work with this script, so you're going to have to use Python 2. So I click on Python 2, then I'm going to go File, Open, and I'm going to find that script that I just put in here. So there's the folder, it's in Python, and then I got to find the water script, which is right there. Open. Okay, so this script I wrote, but I just kind of pieced it together from a couple of other different scripts that I used that I found on the internet. So it's not like I actually wrote any of this. I copied half of this script from, let me kind of show you, in this Sunflounder kit. I copied half of this. This is Lab 14 Rain Detect. So half of the script I copied from there, and then I just modified it so that this script not only detects water, but that it also emails and text messages. Okay, so in here, this is all set up correctly, but I need to do some basic modifications. So it says first your email address here, and this is the email address that you just set up right now. So mine was this MW Water Lab, but you'll have your own. So mine is mwwaterlab@gmail.com. Okay, this is where the an email should be sent. So basically, what this little machine does is it detects water, and when it detects water, it's going to print out onto the screen water detected, but it's also going to email and text message. So think about like if you have a basement, and in your basement the basement gets wet, obviously you want to know, so you're going to get emailed and texted right away. So I'm going to have this email my school email address, greichelt@main207.org. Okay? The from address, to address, I don't need to do that. Subject water, water detected, I don't need to change any of that. Right here, your email password. So this is the password that you used for this one. And I think I did main west D118 is my password. Okay, so change those. Alright, now the next thing that I need to do is right down here, this address goes right here as well. Okay, and I need to make sure that that's in quotes, and your password goes right down here. Okay, and make sure that there's quotes around that too. But this part right here, the cell phone email address. So all cell phones have an email address attached to them that you can email that will automatically text the phone. So cell phone email address. So we can look that up. So for instance, at T-Mobile, it's the whatever the phone number is at TMOMIAL. Verizon, it is to send a text message. It's whatever the phone number is at vtext.com. So I happen to have, and you have others right down there. So I happen to have T-Mobile. So I'm going to, mine's this one right there. And I'll put in my phone number. My cell phone number, which is 815-328-405 at, and then I need to put in the tmomail.net, tmomail.net. Alright, so I got that in there. Alright, and I think that that's it. So I'm going to run this just to make sure that there's no errors right now. You have to save it, click OK. And when it's running for the first time, nothing will pop up. That's okay. So in my next video, I'm going to talk about running it and how to detect everything. So it looks like everything's running good for this video. You can watch the next video to find out how this ends up.